Now, center bracing for this frame. Found my center between both sides of the frame. I'm going to drill a hole here so I can put a weld from here to here. So this is just clamped in now. Got it shimmed up so it's flush right there. And now I'm getting ready to mark where I need to cut over here. I'm putting a straight edge here to get this beam where it should be over here. So this side I haven't done yet. As you can see, once I squeeze this, it bends that ruler. This is too far that way. There, I like that. That's a good gap. I've got lines marked. So I've got equal distance. So this one moved. So I'm gonna just tap, as long as I'm close, as long as I got equal distance from here to here, and the same from here to here, and also the same from here to here, from here to here, I'm good. I've got a line already drawn where I think it should be, so I'm going to double check that line, mark it with tape. Then I'm going to take these and I'm going to clamp them to the underside like this one, so I can set this down so it's flat with this. I'm going to double check these lines, and cut lines. I've got that cut. I've got 2 boards here cut at the same length, 7 3/4 roughly. Between there, clamped. I got my frame leveled. So I gotta take this off so I can position that here and mark that. This piece goes like this, like that, roughly in that area, in between there, in 2 spots. Gotta get this so I can mark. I'm stuck. There. This is how I decided to raise a little platform here so I can get this stable to mark inside here where I need to cut it. And I have a marker here, and that represents the height of that. I mean, these don't come with any directions. If I go any higher, then this sticks past that, but I think I can go a little higher, so I got some washers here. So I'm going to put some washers underneath. I'm using up all these washers. They're all wishy-washery, ready to fall over. I put 2 boards down, and you can see that's the height of how high this is right there. Draw a little marky line. I used red marker, and cut a little long. Then you can use a grinder and grind this so that you get it so that it's a nice tight fit. So this way, it may take a little bit longer, but you can creep up on this. You can do a little grinding up to your tape mark, and then do a test fit, see if it fits. Grind more. You take your time. The tape line is where I thought I should cut. To fit. Nice and snug. So what's next? What do I do next? Dress up all these little imperfections like that. and make a little better transition from this to here with that. So this is how I made this. First I made myself a template and then took some scrap tubing that I had, marked it and cut it out, which gave me two of these, bent the angle to fit that angle, and then I'll mark a scribe along this line here and cut this piece off, and then tack them both together. See, that looks horrible. There's the old, here's the new, like that. That's what it's gonna look like when it's in place. Right now, I'm gonna dress up this area here. I'm gonna weld this little plate right here. Get this all nice and flush going across here. And then I've got just this line then to make nice and even. It looks chopped up. It looks, I don't like it. So I'm gonna get this welded in today and get this here back end half covered with all metal to fill in these pits. These bits here. Focus. Get those pits smoothed out. And hopefully tomorrow I can prime and paint this. That's my goal. We'll see if it happens. little bit right there. I want to fill that in with some weld. Okay, there we go. Okay, here's how this turned out. Do a little walk through here. Okay, there she is. Turned out pretty nice. Pretty nice. Very happy how that turned out. Now, on to the next show, which is right here. So, it's on the Whirly Bird. More videos coming. Thanks for watching.